Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we explore some of the most extraordinary homes you will ever see. Today's property is truly breathtaking, a stunning custom-built model home located near McLean, Virginia. This masterpiece of design and scale offers 6 luxurious bedrooms, 10 spa-inspired bathrooms, and an impressive 9,210 square feet of refined living space. From the moment you arrive, this residence makes an unforgettable first impression. The exterior showcases a bold and sophisticated architectural style, combining modern lines with timeless elegance. The black accented facade paired with warm luxury finishes creates a commanding presence that immediately signals exclusivity and prestige. Every angle of this home feels intentional, balanced, and undeniably high-end. As we step through the grand entrance, you are welcomed by a dramatic foyer designed to impress. Double-height ceilings soar above, while natural light pours through expansive windows, illuminating every carefully selected detail. The combination of rich textures, clean lines, and designer lighting establishes a mood of contemporary luxury. This is not just an entryway, it is a statement of craftsmanship and taste. Moving into the main living area, the scale of the home becomes even more evident. The living room is both elegant and inviting, designed to function as the social heart of the residence. Oversized windows frame the outdoor views, creating a seamless connection between interior and exterior spaces. The carefully curated finishes, custom wall details, and modern lighting elements add depth and personality, making the space feel warm yet incredibly refined. Adjacent to the living area, we find a kitchen that perfectly balances beauty and functionality. This chef-inspired space features premium materials, sleek cabinetry, and a spacious layout that is ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. The oversized island acts as a central gathering point, while top-tier appliances ensure professional-level performance. Every detail, from storage solutions to lighting design, has been engineered for both aesthetics and efficiency. Flowing naturally from the kitchen is the dining area, where elegance meets intimacy. This space is designed for memorable gatherings, offering the perfect setting for everything from casual family dinners to formal celebrations. The lighting, proportions, and visual harmony create an atmosphere that feels luxurious without being overwhelming. It is a space where design enhances experience. One of the most remarkable aspects of this home is how effortlessly it blends grandeur with comfort. As we explore the private quarters, this philosophy becomes even more apparent. The bedrooms are designed as personal retreats, each offering generous proportions, refined finishes, and a calming ambiance. Large windows, thoughtful layouts, and sophisticated design choices ensure that every room feels both private and luxurious. The primary suite, however, stands in a class of its own. This sanctuary-like space exudes tranquility and prestige. The scale is impressive, yet the design remains intimate and serene. From the custom detailing to the elegant lighting, every element contributes to a sense of relaxation and exclusivity. It is a true owner's retreat. Complementing the bedrooms are the home's spa-inspired bathrooms, where modern design meets indulgence. Premium materials, sleek fixtures, and clean architectural lines create spaces that feel more like luxury resorts than residential bathrooms. These are environments designed for relaxation, rejuvenation, and everyday luxury. Beyond the primary living spaces, the home continues to deliver exceptional lifestyle features. Expansive areas provide flexibility for entertainment, recreation, and wellness. Whether imagined as a private fitness studio, a media lounge, or a sophisticated gathering space, these rooms elevate the overall living experience and demonstrate the home's versatility. Stepping outside, the property's lifestyle appeal reaches another level. The outdoor spaces are designed for both relaxation and entertainment, creating an environment that feels like a private resort. The seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living ensures that every square foot of the property contributes to a cohesive luxury experience. What makes this residence truly special is not just its size or finishes, but the way it has been designed to enhance daily life. Every detail reflects intentionality, quality, and a deep understanding of modern luxury living. This is a home that combines architectural beauty with functional excellence. Thank you for joining us on this incredible tour of another remarkable property. If you enjoy exploring extraordinary homes like this one, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected with American Dream Mansions for more stunning luxury real estate showcases.